Okay, so exercise number 4, the last one in this key. Let's do this in straight eighth notes. Strum pattern number 2. Now, if I'm playing these a little too fast for you, don't feel bad about slowing it down, practicing with a metronome, and coming back to the recording. It's really important to get your rhythm straightened out and to be consistent. I'm just trying to keep things at a somewhat moderate tempo. I'm trying to cover a lot of ground here for different types of players. If you feel a little over your head, like the absolute beginner's guitar course would be a good way to go, because it goes through all these strum patterns and it goes through these chord progressions at slower tempos. Not these ones, but I think there are 10 different exercises in that. But if you could capo where I'm capoed and record a rhythm track slower and then play to that, that would be great, because then you'll get a sense of what your own rhythm playing's like if you have to play with yourself or against yourself, depending on how it works out. So whatever you do, don't get frustrated. Keep working on it. If you have to slow it down, slow it down. We're working on ear training. We're working on the Nashville number system. Your brain's trying to process seeing these numbers and know what chord to play. And we're just putting a lot of pieces here. So it's a bunch of information, but wrestle with it for a bit. And then once you get it, you'll see huge changes in your playing. So it's worthwhile. All right, exercise number 4. I think we said straight eighth notes. Remember, we're starting on the 4 chord. So my 4 chord is C, my 5 is D, my 1 is G. Your 4 is D, your 5 is E, your 1 is A. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. 5,